So hello everyone and welcome. My name is Aftab Sheikh. I study in B.SC third year, Adarsh College Hingoli, guided by Hatkar sir. My topic is displacement operator and inverse operator. So today's our topic is from the numerical analysis, the displacement operator E and the inverse operator e raised to minus n. In this video we will see what is the displacement operator, how it is defined, difference between displacement operator and inverse operator, what is inverse operator, how inverse operator is defined, and relation between operators. Displacement operator. An operator E is called as the displacement operator and it is defined by E into f of A is equals to f of A plus h. Sometimes you might see E into f of x is equals to f of x plus h. There is just a difference of variable. The operator E is also called as the shift operator. It is one another name of displacement operator, shift operator or shifting operator. E f of x is equals to f of x plus h, where E f of x is equals to f of x plus h, where h is the interval is the basic definition of displacement operator. E square f of x is equals to E into E f of x. This easily can be written as we know E square is equals to E into E. Now E square f of x is equals to f of x plus h. As we know, E into f of x's value is f of x plus h, so we have written here E into f of x plus h. Moving forward, E square f of x is equals to f of x plus 2h. This is the final value of E square f of x. Similarly, we do it for E cube and we get the values as E cube f of x is equals to f of x plus 3h. Now moving on continuously and going so on, we get e raised to n f of x is equals to f of x plus nh. This is how we can get the values of every missing term and it can be used to find missing terms. Displacement operator. Now we can move forward to inverse operator. Inverse operator is an operator which is defined by e raised to minus n. Inverse operator just acts the opposite of displacement operator. E raised to minus n f of x is equals to f into x minus nh is the basic equation of inverse operator. An inverse operator, if we put the value of minus 1 in place of n, we write as e raised to minus 1 f of x is equals to f into x minus h. Moving forward again, e raised to minus 2 f of x is equals to f of x minus 2h. This is how we go in this inverse operator. Now moving forward to another topic, relation between operators. Delta f of a is equals to f of a plus h minus f of a. This is the basic relation for relation between operators. Again moving forward, e is equals to e into f of a minus I into f of a. Again if we move forward, delta f of a is equals to e minus I into f of a. Again moving forward, we get it as delta is equals to e minus I. F of a and f of a are getting cancelled in the before equation, or delta is, or we can say it as e is equals to delta plus I. Again moving forward, e square f of a. Now we do it the square and try to find out e square f of a is equals to e into f of e f of a is equals to e into f of a plus h. Now as you know that e square is equals to e into e, so we have written here. And now move forward to e into f of a plus h, which again equals to f of a plus 2h. Similarly, e square f of a is equals to f of a plus 3h. Now e raised to, and as we go on, e raised to n f of a gets the answer as f of a plus nh. Thanks for watching. I think so now you might have understood what is displacement operator, what is inverse operator, and what is the relation between the two, and how the two are defined, and what is their main difference. Thanks for watching.